CATIA V5, so I received the following command for a CATDrawing file created within a newer version of CATIA, and we need to convert that into an older version. So let's take a look at this. As we saw over here, initially I thought that it will be the same as a CAD part, but on a closer look, I've noticed that that file format will not be available, so the CATDrawing. So this will be the case study. I have the following citrus, and I made over here an automatic drawing using the predefined views. And if I'm gonna go over here within tools, within utility, I will start that backward compatibility. So we're gonna see the utility that will convert will be called downward compatibility. And if I will start this, initially over here I need to select for what software I need to convert this. As you can see, you can go all the way back. So let's say 2019. Over here, we need to select the file. So I'm gonna go over here and we can search over here for all. This will take everything from the directory. So I already have those over here within drawing. And I have over there also the part and also the drawing. So as we're gonna see, this will be the input directory. And we're gonna have those. So if I will just go ahead and I will click OK, you're gonna see that it will look like this. And it will actually read only the cut part. So even though I have also a drawing over there. So not sure exactly if you can convert CAD drawings. From what I've looked upon, this should be the workflow, but maybe there's something a little bit different. I always thought that the CAD drawing was quite similar to CAD part, and there should be no problem why that will not be able to be converted. But it seems to be that this workflow will not work. So not sure exactly if you can convert. I do think that there should be a solution, because I find it weird otherwise, because drawing parts are also quite important, and having those also compatible with multiple versions, I think that is important as well. So if anyone in the community knows, please let me know in the comment section, and I will address this within a following video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're gonna find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.